Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can auto scroll on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead first, open up TikTok app. You will be here in the menu section. Then what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and long press, tap on this auto scroll, and let this video continue. So I'm gonna go ahead play it. One thing you have to remember is the video must end. If you want it to just auto scroll before the video ends, it will not. Once the video is done playing, it will auto scroll automatically like that. All you have it to turn off, you have to long press, you have to simply toggle that off, or you can simply, once you have toggled it on, you will find this icon, you can tap on it again, it will be removed. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.